Welcome to our channel. Today, under Chemistry Made Easy, we are going to study the concept of oxidation and reduction. As a student of science, you must be familiar with the term oxidation. As the name implies, oxidation means adding oxygen. When oxygen is added to an element or a compound, we say that oxidation has taken place. In nature, we have seen many cases of oxidation. You cut an apple and keep it exposed to the atmosphere, you see that it changes brown. That is nothing but oxidation. Same way, iron when exposed to air and moisture gets rusted. That is also an example of oxidation. The food that we eat changes into energy by a process called oxidation. Now, how are we going to see this oxidation with chemicals? What do you mean by the word oxidation? Let us see a few examples. Let me take the first example. Zinc reacts with oxygen to form zinc oxide. You can see that in the process oxygen is added to zinc. So, addition of oxygen is called as oxidation. Oxygen is a electronegative element. So, when an electronegative element like oxygen is added, you say it is oxidation. It is not only for oxygen. Any electronegative element, if it is added, it is also called oxidation. Oxygen and hydrogen have reverse nature. So, when we say oxygen is added, it is oxidation. When hydrogen is removed, that is also called as oxidation. Now compare these two compounds, hydrogen sulfide in the reactant and sulfur in the product. Now what has happened to hydrogen sulfide? You can see that the hydrogen has been totally removed. Removal of hydrogen is also called as oxidation. I can say hydrogen sulfide is oxidized to sulfur. Hydrogen is an electropositive element. Not only removal of hydrogen, but also the removal of any electropositive element like potassium. You can see this example. Potassium iodide, the potassium is knocked off and you get iodine. This is also called an oxidation reaction because an electropositive element is removed. There are also some cases where hydrogen is not involved, oxygen is not involved, electropositive element is not involved, electronegative element is not involved. In such cases, the electronic concept is used to explain oxidation. Any reaction which occurs with a loss of electrons is given the term oxidation. In simpler terms, we call it as LEO. The acronym is loss of electrons is oxidation. You can see zinc being oxidized to zinc 2 plus. So this is loss of electrons. This is called as oxidation. Reduction is just the opposite of oxidation. A reaction in which oxygen is removed, a reaction in which any electronegative element is removed, a reaction in which hydrogen is added, a reaction in which any electropositive element is added can be called a reduction reaction. Let us take the first example. Zinc oxide reacts with carbon to give zinc and carbon monoxide. From zinc oxide, the oxygen has been removed, hence it is called a reduction reaction. In the second case, ferric chloride FeCl3 has been changed to FeCl2. There is a reduction in the number of chlorine atoms, which is an electronegative element. So, loss of an electronegative element is also called as reduction. In the third example, bromine on added to hydrogen sulfide gives 2 HBr and sulfur. Compare bromine and HBr. You can see that hydrogen is being added. So, it is a reduction reaction. HgCl2 has been converted to Hg2Cl2 in the fourth example. The electropositive element, the metal has been added. It has been stepped up by one number. So, this is a reduction reaction. There are also cases where you can explain it based on the electronic concept. From copper sulfate, the metal copper has been produced. So from +2 state it has come to the state 0. Here there is a gain of electrons. It is shown as GIR. Gain of electrons is reduction, that is for our convenience. Leo stands for oxidation, GIR stands for reduction. Leo the lion says GIR, that is an easy way to remember things. Leo loss of electrons is oxidation and GER gain of electrons is reduction. To summarize, we can say addition of oxygen is oxidation, removal of oxygen is reduction. Removal of hydrogen is oxidation, addition of hydrogen is reduction. Loss of electron, minus electron is oxidation, gain of electron plus electron is reduction. If there is an increase in the oxidation number of an element, it is oxidation. If there is a decrease in the oxidation number, it is called as reduction.